The Helen Suzman Foundation went court to appeal Home Secretary Aaron Motsoaledi's decision revoke the Zimbabwe Exemption Permit. The permit allows approximately 178,000 Zimbabwean citizens to live and work in South Africa. The court heard allegations Tuesday that the minister's decision was unreasonable and procedural. Home Secretary Aaron Motsoaledi's decision to revoke the Zimbabwe Exemption Permit was procedural, unfair, and unreasonable. This was one of arguments put forward by Helen Suzman Foundation at Gauteng High Court in Pretoria to have minister's decision declared null and void. Since 2009, eligible Zimbabweans have been granted exemption permits allowing them to live and work in South Africa. This special type of permit was brought for those who fled to South Africa due to economic and political conflicts in their home country. These permissions have been extended several times over the years and have since become ZEP. READWhy is in South Africa renewing 160,000 Zimbabwean work permits. In December 2022, Motsoaledi announced the termination of ZEP. This decision affects approximately 178,000 Zimbabwean citizens who have called South Africa home for the past 14 years. On Tuesday, Foundation's attorney, Budlender SC, argued that the minister's treatment of ZEP holders by decision to effectively revoke permits was procedural, unfair, and unreasonable for two reasons. These are Motsoaledi's decision to terminate the ZEP program without asking the public and any affected ZEP holders to comment. He called on representatives only after he announced his decision. Another reason is that call for representation is also meaningless in these circumstances, because it does not specify the nature and purpose of representation. Moreover, call for consultation after reporting decision seems controversial, as Minister has repeatedly said that he will not reconsider his decision to terminate ZEP program. READZimbabwe passes a brutal law targeting civil society. Budlender said that if the law is not enforced, the minister still adheres to legality and Bill of Rights requirements. Procedural rationality under the principle of legality, as we have in mind and discussed below, required a hearing from ZEP holders and the public. The foundation also argued that decision was taken by minister without considering impact on lives of ZEP members, their children and wider public. The inevitable impact the minister's decision is that tens of thousands ZEP holders will be left undocumented on June 30, 2023. This is due to legal and practical barriers to obtaining alternative visas and permits, Budlender said. The foundation is seeking a declaration of invalidity and a provisional order to review and overturn Motsoaledi's decision. Until a fair process is concluded, existing ZEPs should be considered valid and ZEP holders should continue to enjoy the protections provided by the 2021 Immigration Directive 1 and 2022 Directive 2. He opposed the foundation's application.